What if updating your website were as simple as having a conversation? With an AI agent like Claude or ChatGPT connected to your WordPress.com site, you can build pages, draft content, make updates, and even audit your site by describing what you want. You stay in control while the AI agent of your choice does the legwork. Let me show you how to get this working using Claude. You will need two things. First, a suitable Claude account. If you are planning to use it extensively, it's worth considering a Pro or even a Max plan. And second, a WordPress.com website. Claude is available on the web, or you can download the desktop app if you prefer working locally, whichever suits your setup. Once you are signed up and logged in, head to your WordPress dashboard, and top right, click My WordPress.com account. Open the Preferences tab, and then you will see an option called AI and MCP. Open that, and toggle on Enable MCP access. And make sure you have also enabled all the relevant read and write permissions. This is what allows Claude to securely connect to your site and take action on your behalf. Great! MCP is now enabled, and compatible AI clients can access your WordPress.com data when you interact with them. So the next step is to connect Claude to your WordPress.com account. To do that, open Claude and navigate to your profile icon. Open Settings, go to Connectors, and click Browse Connectors. Search for WordPress.com and click Connect. You'll be prompted to approve the connection. Confirm it, and when we scroll down, we will see that our account has been linked. And that's it. You are now set up. Please note, I'll also include text instructions in the video description below. From here, Claude becomes a practical tool for working on your site. And now when I open Claude, I can ask it to connect to my site. And once everything is loaded, you will see a message that says, what would you like to do with your site? I can help you manage your posts, pages, settings, plugins, and more. Let's look at two quick examples. I've found a layout I really like and want to recreate on my site. I'll take a screenshot of the area I'm after, paste it into Claude, and ask it to create a similar section at the top of my homepage and save it as a draft. And here we can see the cool design it added to my homepage. And now we can update the layout and replace the content as we please. Or maybe you want to ask your AI agent to refine something you've already written and want to publish. I've prepared a blog post about spending 48 hours in Cape Town, but I will ask Claude to improve my introduction by making it clearer and easier to read. Then it will show me the before and after, the key improvements it's made, and then I can click the link to open the post and tweak it further if needed. In the next series of videos, we'll explore various ways to improve and manage your website. See you in the next one.